Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you what is gateio quantitative trading and how can you use it. $10,000 is a huge amount of money and hard to earn it, but you have a chance and good luck. You can earn this money with gateio quantitative trading, but it depends with your risk. This is not financial advice. You can start and try with small amount of your portfolio. Quantitative trading minimum deposit, it depends on your grid size and technical analysis. Before we start, we must know what does it mean and how it works. You can choose your trading pair and trading modes to increase your profit. What is quantitative trading? Quantitative trading is based on grid trading. If you are familiar with Forex, you can simply know what is grid trading. Okay, how does it work? Before we start, I must clarify this. I don't recommend future quantitative trading for now. Because if you don't have money to lose or test, future options are high volatile and high risk. You can be easily liquidated with small amount of money. Leverages and your grid size are very important. You need to make an in-depth research for this. We will continue with simple spot grid trading in this video. Okay, let's continue. Grid trading is when orders are placed above and below a set price, creating a grid of orders at incrementally increasing and decreasing prices. Grid trading is most commonly associated with the foreign exchange market. Overall, the technique seeks to capitalize on normal price volatility in an asset by placing buy and sell orders at certain regular intervals above and below a predefined base price. For example, a gateio trader could put buy orders every $50 above a set price on Ethereum or Bitcoin, while also putting sell orders every $15 below that price. This takes advantages of trends. They could also place buy orders below a set price and sell orders above. This takes advantages of ranging conditions. To do this, you need to register on Gateio, and after that you need to go to Quantitative section. After you land on this page, you are going to see some strategies and profit rates. You can set your break limit, which explains the highest price you would like to stop, and stop loss, the minimum price you would like to end your quantitative grid trading on Gateio. Let me explain with a scenario. During the last days, SHIB is open to trading on Gateio. With new coin listing, investors are jumped into SHIB project and started to buy. You research and found SHIB is valuable for trading. It has a future. After your technical analysis and market watch, you saw some support and resistance prices. Just for an example, SHIB is moving between $1 to $2. Then your strategy is starting to work in your mind. But you need an automation for buying and selling prices. You don't want to check graphics and analysis every time because you don't have to. There is grid trading. In this scenario, you can probably open some buy and sell orders between $1 to $2. An example, you open a good 8 grid size orders. If your main price is $1.50 now and you are expecting a fluctuation on prices to $1, you can put some orders with on the screen. These are just for an example. You can choose every grid size, buy and sell orders amount in your strategy, but it is not at all. Gateio has a perfect area in their website, Quantitative Trading Copy section. You can see which users are sharing their strategies and profits in public. You don't have to set your own or AI-based quantitative trading. You can just look for good profits and ready-to-use strategies. You should go with attention. You should simply divide total profit rate to 365 to clarify their daily earning. 100% does not mean they doubled their money in a day or hour. Also, if you use a user strategy, he or she will earn your 5% profit to their spot wallet. And this is just all, my friends. If you like this video, you can share your comments under this video and share with your friends. Have a nice day and see you soon.